Hey guys, it's Chelsea, and today I'm going to talk to you about a couple of really key words that are going to help you demolish your opponent in agendas reading. Ready, set, go. Okay, the first one is most. You guys actually know this word pretty well. Most, in general, you guys think of it as more than half, right? And that's accurate. Most of the cats here are yellow. That means more than half of the cats here are yellow. It could be 60%, 80%, 90%, 100%, but it definitely means like a lot, right? You guys think of it as a lot, and that's accurate. Keep that one in mind. But there are some other words that people will use if they don't have that kind of data, right? So let's say you're looking at a room full of cats and you're like, boom, 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 counted them all up. More than half of them are yellow. I can count it. Okay, cool. But what if I wanted to say, okay, well, most Americans drink coffee. They like coffee. I don't actually know for sure that that's true. So I can't actually use that word. I can't actually say most unless I go and do some research and find some data, right? So what can I do instead? I can say many Americans drink coffee. You guys are going to see, you see this all the time. You guys probably do this yourselves all the time. When you don't have real numbers, when you don't know for sure that it's most, you'll use many. When you don't know for sure, but you think it's a small amount, maybe you'll use words like few, right? And you guys have these ideas of like what these numbers mean, but basically it just means this. I don't know how many Americans drink coffee, but it definitely is more than one. And in this case, I think it's like a whole bunch. Okay, so I'm going to use many, but there still is like no real information there. There's no real data. There's no hard numbers. You didn't count. You don't really know for sure at all. You're just, this is an opinion kind of, right? So, many equals some number more than one. Few people like taking notes. What does that mean? I don't know how many people like taking notes, but I know it's more than one. More than one people don't like taking notes because I know myself and I know my friend, and we don't like it, therefore I know that it's more than one. Okay, that's fine, but that's not like real data, right? It's very, very localized. You don't have a whole lot of information. Maybe you took a poll of your class, but that's not a lot. You're using few to suggest that the number is very small, but you don't know how big the number is at all. So, all these words, these are the words I want you to look out for. Keep your eyes peeled, ninja brain on. We gotta know when these words come up. People start using words like many, some. There's some of these. Some people think this is a good idea. Several people think this is a good idea. Well, that's not a number of people, by the way. Few is not a number. And we like to think of it as like maybe 3 or more or something like that, but it doesn't really matter. The idea is it's just some random number. More than one, but you don't have real data. You don't have real knowledge. Okay? So, takeaway, people will use these words to manipulate you, and you have to use logic to demolish them right back. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Are you ready? They're going to say few people even know about cactus fruit, and you're going to say you don't have any real data, you don't know what you're talking about. They're going to say many people support my plan for this school, and you're going to say you're just spouting opinions, you have no real numbers. They're going to say several, and you're going to say, I'll just stop you right there. You don't know what you're talking about. They're going to say few, and you're going to say nope. And that's it. You're not even going to let them finish their sentences. Just nope. Nah, definitely not. When you see few, some, many, several, those words are used to manipulate. They are used to try to convince you that the number is bigger or smaller or whatever, but they have no real data. Don't take that seriously. Most is the only word that has actual data, actual numbers attached to it. It has to be more than 50%, more than half. That's the only one you get to take seriously. All the other ones, nope. Definitely not.